makeup and what have you, and she feels comfortable and lucrative. I say, and you know, let's think out of the box.
Okay.
You're thinking out of the box. So her decision to even open the portal, say name a beer portal no for we no more. Nipano watch it 2 years. Then I want my way in trouble. You miss definitely a baby for.
A big crowd's an 3 to 4
yes,
years.
and you know, or try now, I opening portal season session with Tremuna in 2 months' time. A big bill for Accra and capital cities. Now, why wouldn't he or she wait? Overtrain. That's it. Overtrain. Let's think about better ways of doing it. Ghana, no, baby, important. Baby, here. Then this is assemblies too.
Yeah.
Must be interested. Say they will grow their own products. And in Ebia, moko secondary schools, no. While the school student students are moving more moko university nursing school, no. We will sponsor you.
Okay.
Why is it?
Okay.
And you have a bond with us.
And you have to come back and work for us.
And then work for the district, work for the assembly, work for and what na wufi. Say this situation will persist. Meaning say na GS teachers no mo ye mom. I say enti wufi me fan say do me as assembly you come back to the
within the East municipality,
something like that. Say anya sa na mana anya lucrative obekọ nursing na wi. Udi ni ko a class no who say M1 because see on your side issue.
Yeah.
You see on your side hustle.
Yeah.
Side hustle do na your internet. If we are innovative, if we are creative, if we are thinkers, and then start times and yes I'm going Starlink,
yeah.
Starlink a ko baby yantimi anya ye die ni o man de no na ye Ghana Telecom no yantimi anya ni yi enti ene wo de ye bibia entimi nye enti ahoho de na abeji Telecom na boso but open ye ko bibia ene with media quality say Starlink na eye enti we are ye focused on building hospitals and what have you no and na yentimi nye nsisi adan kidinkiti bi emma sa nurses health assistance no meko ho no okono wo ne single room bia bibia wo mu a internet wo sa area obeko they will go oni we see weekend no betma banka be fa ne wetma kokumasa ko fa ne wetma go tamala ko fa ne ma oton no that is it abe no one line pass hwi ni ho onkona ni pay na odi ongo and the kan no kwancha ye ho ada no ye nyina ye dwane bankran ye ho no eduma no say bibi ho but ye ba bi kwa ni bie wo ha you have to be up to date as a citizen you say am to niam yi anya nhyehyeye se ne be ya obi ko no nim say ha na me ko no me benefit amenya ni entino let me focus on the benefit and go ongo it will man 25 to 40% of on a salary obeko or accommodation ready accommodation obeko azie one case or nonko rent they will not go obetna hadiji
ko minimo bi o Accra ha ye tamne ko se kentampo side ho baby
onko oko whose situation no be dwane let me use myself as an example we were in school a postal national service edemi konsu atre school no the same Catholic school no in Swatre there's a Catholic school Sacred Heart Sacred Heart got there na service for a year bre school yi Catholic school mo so mo ma yeduane mpo na omo ma e ma na na wo boarding I kitchen or the man in Veduane because they have a situation service for abe share money incentive they will not do and koje dan ko yesi me share madam mint min koje dan mint min yesi kumi service allowance ma na me pack me na ma
away
na me back best key for reposting me key for reposting and you posting me cover bi o mo je me school na e ma me duane di and sana me service allowance ever. So there are several factors as to why people want to refuse posting.
Okay.
A warfare. What is it?
Yeah.
In Titanka will be un shut critical yare condition bia. You shouldn't refuse it for the nationalistic thing, and you can still refuse it posting. What I say, but because of a nyama bakumenu mensa conditions na yen share no. I don't know how we have. That's it. And yes, assemblies must be interested.
Okay.
The government must be interested.
Yeah.
Now, yen part dying mom. Next is the first neighbor. If you are hospital, eba could in a district hospital. You are one hospital. Next is 4, 2, 3B, 5B. Yen to me not dying. In the community to me see. And answer for Juma and see dying and ma safu.
I had the year as nurses.
That is it. Omo be a omoti. You want to. So when we do this, we'll cure this thing.
Okay.
And yes, sir, I'm going to idea envoy.
Because already, health workers no can already know.
Now we start treating on a mean.
What's the green lights on?
And now 1, 2, 3 pa no ko. Onyaka kero be dwane afi. Anti yen say ye na yen pe kwan ya di be fa na make us mind we problem kesi a ye want to say. Most of our policies are not backed by data. They are not backed by research.
Yeah, kasakeke.
Yes, ye kushan kungunu ase wa hu. No bi ka bibi na eto ya suma na ya ko announce.
Oh sir.
Enye sa anka Ghana ye wo ya teacher mpo three teachers ye ni bi. Gan teachers ye ni bi no anka we will be looking at Chinese. Katrem. So why you research and a document that were even a analysis and natural in a fire 46 languages no 9 years school monopono we have issues.
Deficit.
Yeah. We are unable to teach the 9. Enti obe bank cry ha na ye chire twi ekuapim twi won cry. Why is it? Obe cover target na chire ekuapim twi because teacher now wo ho no that's available material they have. It's so Chinese that is it. Of course secondary school we akoye wa master wa major French.
Yeah.
You still want to try English, because a language. Why is it? We have this challenge in our system. Now, who could junior be catch them here? China. Chinese. And a problem. If we begin to think, say policy, what the policy was, what man for Pamoma research, what dream, who they are to other places will now find need to your own customers and to a situation you will have a solution. So you are working according to a document, not according to your emotions.
When you say emotions,
the policies or my will. You can start and come. Some one single policy you're tracking the proper. Yet me amount figures. At me I yield dividends to this country.
Results.
Catch me. Now do the agenda 111 by with the view say a bit to me boy health sector. I go see saying 1D1F. At the time or move you not how many factories now yet then I know more producing.
100 factories were done.
Working and producing what? I say, no, so master jobs on my body will actually me. Your master is on my who you come me crew with your Maya is you on a new Juma. Who called them bad is you on yam chips dear no.
Yeah.
A new Juma by
one price.
By a dear war by bandam by then sign pad them by that. But it's closed. What are we doing about it?
And after a change of government,
you are forgetting no this I Commander Sugar Factory. I go see.
Now we are focusing on.
Now, Kwame Nkrumah Kwaja, look at what we have in this country in terms of industries.
Yeah.
Na yet tontoning in a collapsing in a unia. We are baby civil for. Are we thinkers? Are we thinking? Tell me. Omaya deliberately, indigenous businessmen, you be cripple with business just because you don't agree with us. You differ in political ideology.
Yours doesn't align with
With us,
ideals.
but look at nearby Nigeria. Almost a mobile ambassador de Bia, but Atiku,
Yeah.
Atiku ye Ghana near and Kazin the business own timid business. P2B ye Ghana near and own timid business in Nigeria. And good, they wouldn't be able, they would survive. They will cripple your son near Shegu Garibu. Or man is where the team. So that is our problem.
Okay.
You get it? And this problem, you bet to resolve now. We will need thinkers. The far man for you see, also man we are designing nice. The far near your minister, onye you. You try on your new car.
You cook.
Your proud feet car.
Driver.
Your born by driver. Oh,
Garden
yeah,
boy.
you said you come and on your oh, to quite first class, so that you can think for us. We pay you well. Who took quiet figure, no fin cry, cook masia. You see, police in new and you know me crime room out. Wah, you now traffic once you minister and traffic. You now can have bass on Pahana of Fia, so to throw to Kamua, who delay the Musa. But minister, they give you mano. Police did name I don't know. Does it look like I don't know?
Oh, my
No, but that is a reality. Does it look like they are thinking for us? Does it? Tell me, if it looks like people are thinking for this country's growth, it won't be so.
Right.
Yeah.
Prince, I know you're on Beckham.